Listen, read, repeat. I have my green card and I want to work. I will call one company. It is a small company. It is not a long way from my home. I think it is a nice place to work. I have the phone number. I will call today and ask about work. Work is a very important thing to find. Listen, read, repeat. It is time to call about the job. I want to call early and ask about work. I have the right phone number. I feel good about the small company. They are close to my home and the place is nice. This will be my first job. It will feel good to start work. Okay, goodbye. It is time for me to call the company. Listen, read, repeat. The phone call. Hello, this is 123 Company. Hello, my name is John. I want to work at your company. Do you need more people? Oh yes, we do need more people to work. You can come get an application. Do you know the place? Oh yes, thank you. I know the place. It is close to my home. I will come get the application. That is good. Any time is good. I will see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye. Listen, read, repeat. Hello, my name is John. I want a work application. Is this the right place? Yes, this is the right place. I will give you a work application, but I have a problem. I need to make a new one. Can you wait? Yes, I will wait. Thank you. Here is the application. Do you have a phone number? I will give your phone number to the company boss. Yes, my phone number is 867-5309. That is good. You will like this company. It is a great place to work. The boss will call you this week. Okay, I will wait for the call. Goodbye and thank you. Listen, read, repeat. The boss will call me today. I do not want to leave my phone at home. I will be able to work next week. This is a new thing for me. It is my first job. I feel great about this company. Last year, I had a problem. I did not have my green card from the government. Now I have it and can find a job. Work is a very important thing to find. Listen, read, repeat. I am happy today. It is a good day. I feel good. Do you want to know? I will tell you why I am happy. I have a good reason. I start my work today. It is my first job. I am very happy today.